Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Nubia Z70 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and then click install. Now you can click open and here you can click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Then you have to click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back and click start. And as you can see right here there's my ChatGPT widget and I can open it and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.